Good evening, my child.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir.
What are you doing now this time?
I am doing 156 sentences.
What's your name?
My name is Radhika Gaun.
Where do you live?
I live in Mangal Nagar, Katni.
With whom do you come here?
I come here with my brother and sister.
Who gives you money?
My mother gives me money.
Where do you play?
I do not play.
How long do you read in your house?
I read 4 hours in my house.
Who gives you food?
My mother gives me food.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because I want to talk English.
Okay, don't mind. Who teaches you math in your school?
Um, this time no one is teaching me maths in my school.
So, which subject have you taken?
I have taken arts
Why have you taken art subject?
because I want to become an IAS officer in my future.
So, have you taken arts? That's why.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are you doing in your house daily?
Uh, Sir, I am reading in my house daily, and help, I also help my mother.
Where have you wandered with your family?
I have wandered Pachmadi with my family.
Pachmadi.
Yes,
What did you watch in Pachmadi?
I watched many things in Pachmadi. I watched cave of bears. I watched medicinal plants. I saw sunset. I watched waterfall also.
Okay, with whom have you gone there?
I have gone with my family there.
Recite me your family background.
Ours is a happy and a small family. There are 4 family members besides me. My first family member is my father. His name is Mr. Sanjay Gond. His education qualification is graduation. He works at paramilitary force in Chhattisgarh. He likes to eat fruits. He dislikes to eat junk foods. His hobby is dancing. And my second family member is my mother. Her name is Mrs. Seema Gond. Her education qualification is 10th pass. She likes to eat mango. She dislikes to eat bitter gourd. Her hobby is dancing. My fourth family member is my elder brother. His name is Satyam Gond. He likes to eat Maggie. He dislikes to eat bitter gourd. His hobby is playing guitar. My fourth family member is my little brother. His name is Shivam Gond. He reads in class 7th in Kendriya Vidyalaya Honest Sector Katni. He likes to eat mango. He dislikes to eat bitter gourd. And his hobby is playing cricket.
Where did you wander nowadays? Some days ago, you went now
Yes,
somewhere?
sir.
Yeah.
I wondered Science City and
Kolkata.
Dakshineshwar. Yes, in Kolkata.
So why are you not saying that you went to the Kolkata? What did you watch? Yes, in Kolkata.
So I watched many things in Kolkata. When I went Dakshineshwar, then I watched many types of temples, gods, statue of gods.
Okay, who lives in Kolkata?
Uh, my uncle and lives in Kolkata.
Uncle and aunts.
Yes,
What is your uncle there?
yes, sir.
What is your uncle?
Uh,
Where is he working?
he works in a beauty parlor, 5 star hotel.
Five-star hotel,
Yes.
beauty parlor.
Means uh, he works there.
He works there.
Yes, sir.
And what do you want to be?
I want to be an IAS officer in the future.
Okay. And what were you thinking when you came here first time in RK Skipper Academy?
So, firstly, I was seeing many students. They were speaking English. Then I also wanted to speak like them, and I also scared.
Now this timing, how are you feeling?
Sir, I am feeling good in this time, and I also started to speak English.
What about your brothers? What would you like to say about your brothers, both brothers?
Sir, they were not speaking English because Do not focus.
properly.
Yes, sir.
So now this time, are you not hesitating?
No, sir. I'm
No.
not hesitating.
The previous time, your father was saying to me that you are not able to talk with anybody. Anybody came in your house and you didn't talk that time. You didn't give the answer.
So because at that time I have not confidence.
Now this time, what are you thinking?
Sir, in this time I think that I am speaking well.
Well, better than past time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, recite me any story.
Once upon a time, there was a man who filled water in the two pots. First pot was good, but second pot had one hole, but by which all water used to fell down. But one day, first pot told to the second pot, "You lost. You didn't do anything for that man." Then second pot became very sad. Then he then second pot asked to his owner that, why did you not keep me, why did you not leave me, why did you keep me? So so his owner told him that, I knew your weakness, so I decided to sow the seeds of flowers in your sides. Then I sow it in your sides. Then you were giving water every day and they grew up. So moral of the story, we should not think that I can't do anything, rather we should make the weapon of our weakness.
Are you not teaching to your brother this story? The both brother can learn English. There is no matter, but the time period will be taken.
Yes, sir, they can learn, I know, but
But they will take the time
yes, sir,
because you know that there. This is a very nice place. Already you have understood
yes,
that everybody can learn English.
yes,
When
sir,
you can learn, so everybody can.
yes,
So right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What is the hard work?
Hard work means hard work means to achieve goals. We should completely become dedication, discipline, and consistency. This is not only physical hard work; rather, it is also mentally determination. If any person complete their work with their pain, so that person can become success. So it is called hard work.
So, have you recited anything to your father? Anytime?
Yes, sir, I recited my speech of my
What
father.
about have you presented there? What about have you recited?
I have recited the story of past,
Story of past.
the story of past life. That we should forget our past. We should not grab it.
Recite me a story.
Sir, I forget it.
I forget. I forgot.
I forgot it.
Oh,
Sorry, sir.
are you making mistake here? Huh? Okay, don't mind. It may be possible that you can be able to speak. Tell me something about your father only.
Yes, sir. My father name is My father name is Mr. Sanjay Gond. His name is My father name is Mr. Sanjay Gond. He works at paramilitary force in Chhattisgarh. He likes to eat fruits. He dislikes to eat junk foods, and his hobby is dancing.
What were you thinking at the past time when you joined that you will be able to speak English or not?
No, sir. At that time, I was not speaking properly.
Properly, what were you speaking? What has been taught by the ma'am? Kaka kiki and kaka gaga. And the all things. I think that
All things.
everything's okay.